Good morning, ma'am. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to open a savings account.
Sure, ma'am. Do you have your Aadhaar card and PAN card with you?
Yes, I have all the documents.
Perfect. Please fill out this account opening form.
Okay. By the way, will I get an ATM card with this account?
Yes, ma'am. You will receive a debit card, which can also be used as an ATM card for cash withdrawal, shopping, and online payments.
Oh, that's nice. What is the difference between a debit card and a credit card?
A debit card uses the money already available in your bank account, while a credit card allows you to borrow money from the bank up to a certain limit.
I see. Can I apply for a credit card later?
Of course, ma'am. Once your account becomes active and you maintain a good transaction history, you can apply for one.
Will I also get mobile banking facilities?
Yes. You'll get mobile banking, internet banking, SMS alerts, and a checkbook as well.
That's very convenient. How long will the process take?
It will take around 15 to 20 minutes.
All right. Thank you for your help.
You're most welcome, ma'am. Please have a seat while I process your application.